going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be pulling this extension shaft out of our 42 RLE transmission out of this 2010 Wrangler. I saw a couple videos on YouTube, but none of them show the correct way to do it. The correct way is going to be by using a slide hammer. So I'm going to go ahead and link down in the video description the tools you're going to need, a slide hammer and the adapter that you're going to need. This is a homemade one, but I will link one that will work. So what you're going to want to do is thread this adapter here into the end of your output shaft extension until it bottoms out or comes close to it, like so. And then we're going to thread our slide hammer into that, and we're going to pull it out. Alright, so now we're going to take our slide hammer here, thread it into this adapter. Right, now we're going to let her rip. And it's going to come off just like that. This is the correct way to remove the extension shaft on a 42 RLE.